Rock and roll.
Yes.
Rasmus. Hello, Leo. The first gate into the business.
How are the things going on?
It's going great.
It's going good?
Yeah.
I want to hear why you and Emil started all this.
I like coffee and late hours. Not really, but Emil and I have had a lifelong passion for hair, and in 2009 we decided to get together and build an awesome website where you can buy the best hair products in the world, and it's a small selection of the best brands and the best products. And then we developed Slikhaar TV, which is where the passion comes to life. We are teaching men all around the world how to style their hair, and not only teaching, we also do a lot of inspirational videos.
So the web shop, Slikhaar shop, that was first, and then YouTube channel.
It's like you need to have a dance school before you can learn people how to dance, right, Leo?
You know that I process the orders every day, and I noticed that like the star, absolute star in our house, it's the gold digger.
Yeah.
Why is that?
I think definitely one of the reasons why Vilain Gold Digger is the most sold product is that it's the first product in the line. Back in 2013, when we developed the hair product line, we only had the Vilain Gold Digger. And one fun fact, it actually took 9 months to develop that single product.
9 months? Why so long?
Yeah, not only testing out the functions of the product, we also used you guys out there as the community to have a lot of feedback, have a lot of ideas, do some testing back and forth, and then we tested it in the hair salon. And when we had the right product formulation, we went to a perfume factory to have the perfect scent. So not only developing the product, we also developed a fragrance, a perfume for the product. So that's quite unique, and that's one of the reasons why 25% of all of the sales are Vilain Gold Diggers.
That's incredible. I actually really like the matte finish.
I also think that one of the reasons is that it's one of the best products, of course.
And where did you find the inspiration for the gold digger?
That's a really good question. As when it comes to the formula, we have had a lot of experience testing a lot of other brands and products, and one of the things that we like in general in hair products is extreme hold and matte finish. That was one of the key points developing the recipe. And then we also asked all of you guys, what do you like in a great hair product? And all of you asked for a great hold, so why not put that? And you also wanted something with a matte finish. So that's the two key points anchoring the recipe. You also wanted a great scent, and we gave you a great scent because we developed the whole perfume just for that only product.
Why did you choose the name Gold Digger?
The reasons why we chose the Vilain Gold Digger, like the Gold Digger edition, is that we think it's a funny way to express yourself in a product way, because it means that either you have a pot of gold that you dig into, or it means that you have gold diggers all around you when you put it in your hair. So that's two sides meaning of the product name. Yeah.
So it's not about my ex-girlfriend?
Probably not. Okay. I didn't knew her, but she's probably nice.
And after the Gold Digger 2013?
Yeah. Why make more products?
No more products. You made Silver Fox. Why it's that? Why you made Silver Fox?
Because we thought we needed more products to the collection. Of course, we still kept strong hold. However, we applied slightly a bit of shine to all of you guys that wanted like a smooth finish to it. It contains a very fine cosmetic silicone that makes it easier to comb your hair through, and also it will leave your hair with natural shine. It will not look shiny, but it will not look will be in between to it in terms of the natural glow to it.
Okay.
So
if we have the gold digger here as a wax with matte finish, and here we have creams and how to call fibers.
yes,
Where would you put the Silver Fox?
definitely up here in terms of the hold. Yeah,
Okay.
it's very equal to the gold digger in the hold, in my opinion. One of the nice things about Silver Fox is that you can also, if you mess it up a little after, in the end, you can have it looking more matte. And if you put it into damped hair, you can have it actually kind of quite shiny. So it will be almost glossy looking.
Why it's Silver Fox?
Just as the gold digger, we need a powerful name, and in this case, Silver Fox is a dominant name, symbolizing the big silver back of the gorillas. Oh. And also silver is known from wise people, exactly. So Silver Fox is a dominant and funny and foxy name for a great hair product.
After Silver Fox, it came Dynamite clay. And I just love Dynamite clay. It's my favorite clay. In general, I love clays because they give a matte finish and it's very, very strong hold. But most of them, they don't give so much volume. That's why I think that Dynamite clay is a very, very unique one because it gives you a lot of volume. How?
It's really compounded clay, which means there's not much water in it, so it's almost pure product. And we like to compare some of the clays with DYNAMITE or C4 because it's pure explosive hair products. As you said, get a lot of volume and it's also a little harder to scoop out of the jar, but don't worry, when you heat it up it will melt and break down, and as soon as it gets into your hair, it will harden up and boost your volume.
So we got Gold Digger, Silver Fox, Dynamite clay, and finally
POWERMADE.
POWERMADE.
What's most important to know about the POWERMADE is that it's inspired by the pomades out there, and we didn't want any greasy products, so we developed it more like a cream / wax / pomade. So what you get here is a wax with a medium hold. It has a slightly glossy finish to the medium shine, and extremely good to mix and match with all the other products. So it's designed to blend perfectly together with Gold Digger, Silver Fox and Dynamite clay if you just need to soften it up a little.
Now I have to ask you, because you're talking about that it's made to mix it with other products. I remember someone asking me, what is the difference between mixing it with Gold Digger or with Silver Fox? Because both are waxes, but...
Yes, I definitely don't think there's too much of a difference. You get a little more playtime mixing it with Silver Fox.
Do you get more like a shiny look if you mix
it
with?
A little more shiny because Silver Fox is already a little bit more shiny.
There's some rumors in the internet that says that you actually, Rasmus and Emil, it's only one person that moves very fast.
That's actually true, but but when you are twins, one cell that was one divided to two, so in a very early stage there was only one. But yeah, we have been two brothers all of my life, of course. So no green screens or video tricks.
I hear that when you're twins, like you can feel what the other is feeling. Is that true?
I don't hope, because I have something in my throat right now. That's a joke. But anyway, I think it's a nice thought that you can be telepathic, but I don't think that is entirely true. However, I think if you grow up together, you get some of the same ideals. So if you see something, you're both thinking the same about a certain topic. Some people might think that's kind of telepathic, but when you think about it, if you have a really good friend that you have been hanging out with for a week, you start to say the same words, like synchron.
Where in Denmark are you from? Because you are not from Aarhus, are you?
Yeah, I'm from all over the world. No, not really, but actually I'm from a small town in Jylland, Jutland to be precise, and I've been living with my parents and 3 brothers all of my life. I also have a sister. She's older than me. In general, I'm from the countryside, moved to the city of Aarhus in 2009, studying marketing and building Slikhaar business.
How does it feel to get that feedback from the community? It's so many people that you're probably not gonna meet ever.
Oh, I'm touched. It's amazing. It's one of the reasons why we're doing what we do. We can see that all of you guys enjoy our posts, videos, and it makes it all worth it. It's not only about making a business, it's also about growing together as a community and see you guys succeed, getting an awesome hairstyle. And also we have a lot of feedbacks from both teenagers and middle-aged men that experience a lot of self-growth, feeling more self-confident and actually achieving new jobs, not getting bullied from school, and a lot of other personal things that is very touching when you're actually just learning people how to do their hairstyle. So it's an amazing ride, and we are really thankful for you guys to be a part of it, and keep supporting the channel by watching and commenting and sharing all the stuff, yeah. And of course spotting the products as well. I think it was really nice to have the chat with you, Leo.
Yeah, I know.
So guys, I'd like you to write in the comment section down below if you like this format, if you want more Q&As just like this or with other stuff. We like to talk about everything from south to east.
Everything.
Write in the comment section. We like your feedback. We like to include you in the program. We're starting to do more episodes, 3 a week, and we like to get up to 1 every day, but it will be in the future. Thank you guys for watching this episode today, and if you haven't yet, remember to subscribe. See you guys next time.